Good morning everyone. Myself Dr. Devangi Dwivedi, Senior Lecturer in the Department of Oral Pathology and Microbiology, BBDCODS, BBD University. Today I am going to tell you about papilla of tongue. So there are four types of papilla: circumvallate papilla, fungiform papilla, foliate papilla and filiform papilla. First, let's take up filiform papilla. On the interior part of the tongue are found numerous fine-pointed cone-shaped papilla that give it velvet-like appearance. These projections, the filiform thread-shaped papilla, are epithelial structures containing a core of connective tissue from which secondary papilla protrude toward the epithelium. The covering epithelium is keratinized and forms tufts at the apex of the dermal papilla. This is the very important point. The filiform papilla do not contain taste buds. Probably these are the only papilla which do not contain taste buds. Next, coming to the fungiform papilla. Interspread between the filiform papilla are the isolated fungiform, or you can say mushroom shaped papilla, which are round reddish prominences. Their color is derived from a rich capillary network visible through the relatively thin epithelium. Fungiform papilla contain a few, you can say 1 to 3 taste buds found only on their dorsal surface. Next, let's take up circumvallate papilla. In front of the dividing V-shaped terminal sulcus between the body and the base of the tongue are 8 to 10 vellate walled papilla or circumvallate papilla. They do not protrude above the surface of the tongue but are bounded by a deep circular furrow so that their only connection to the substance of the tongue is at their narrow base. Their free surface shows numerous secondary papilla that are covered by a thin, smooth epithelium. On the lateral surface of the circumvallate papilla, the epithelium contains numerous taste buds. The ducts of small serous glands called von Ebner's glands open into the trough. They may serve to wash out the soluble elements of food and are the main source of salivary lipase. Next is your foliate papilla. On the lateral border of the posterior parts of the tongue, sharp parallel clumps of varying length can often be observed. They bound narrow folds of the mucous membrane and are the vestige of the large foliate papilla found in many mammals. They contain taste buds. The distribution of the receptors for primary taste qualities with the different types of papilla are as follows. Circumvallate papilla are concerned with bitter taste. Foliate papilla are concerned with sour taste. Taste buds of the fungiform papilla at the tip of the tongue with sweet taste, and at the borders they are concerned with salty taste. Bitter and sour taste sensations are mediated by the glossopharyngeal nerve, and sweet and salty tastes are mediated by the intermediofacial nerve by the chorda tympani. That was all. Thank you.